Let's cook authentic and traditional chicken rice. Add 1 kilogram of chicken and add 6 cups of water. Now in a plate gather 1 garlic bulb, 1 onion roughly cut, 5 hot green chili slices, and 3 tablespoons of fennel seeds, 2 tablespoons of coriander seeds, and 1 tablespoon of salt. Add to the pot. Bring it to boil, cover and cook for 30 minutes on medium-low heat. After 30 minutes, take out chicken and strain the chicken broth. Set aside to use in rice. In a small pan, add 1 cup of oil. Sauté 1 onion cut into slices. Sauté on medium-low heat. When it's light golden, take it out and set aside. Traditionally, these rice served with fried onions. Save it for the end. Transfer the same oil to a big pot. Add 300 grams of onion slices. That will be 2 big onions. In a plate, gather 1 tablespoon of cumin, 2 big cardamom, 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, 1/2 teaspoon of cloves, 1 bay leaf, and 2 small cinnamon sticks. Add all these spices to the pot. Sauté till translucent. Add 1 cup of yogurt, 5 hot green chili slices, 1 tomato chopped, and 3 tablespoons ginger garlic paste. Cook on medium-high heat until oil separates. Add boiled chicken and sauté. Add 2 liters of liquid, that is chicken broth, plus water. Mix well. Add 1/4 teaspoon of Kewra essence. Add 2 tablespoons of salt and bring it to boil. Add 1 kilograms of rice, soak for 30 minutes. Mix it well and cook on high heat. Cook until 80% of water evaporates. Add 3 tablespoons of mild green chilies. Then cover and cook for 20 minutes on low heat. Open after 20 minutes. Delicious chicken rice is ready. Serve hot with raw onions and yogurt. Like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.